Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can sell XRP for USDT. So first is just have to open your Binance and then go ahead and log into your account. Now under the buy and sell, you just have to click on sell, and then from here you just have to search for XRP, so you can tap on the search bar and type XRP. So just have to click on this result. And then on the receive option, you just have to choose the USD and then click on that. And then just have to enter the amount here. And then just since I haven't logged into my account, it shows log in or sign up. But once you are logged into your account, it will show here to sell. And then once someone will buy your XRP, you will receive USDT. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!